Okay, I just removed the caliper. This is a 2012 Toyota Venza, and I'm doing the front brakes on it. And to get the caliper, I squeezed it, and then I'm going to remove the old pads. There we go. These two clips, we'll save those to use, and then the pads just come right off like that, and those are the springs. Okay, and really, that doesn't look that bad. But we're going to put new rotors and pads on this thing. Okay, bracket off, and then we'll get to the rotor. Okay, there's two 17mm bolts, and there was two 12mm bolts, which is kind of small for me, holding that in place. Okay, I got that caliper bracket off, and let's get rid of this. And sometimes you might have to bang it with a hammer. So here's my hammer. Let's see. There it is. Down. And now what I'll do is I'll clean up that surface. Okay, the wire look. Nice and clean. Put a coat of anti-seize right around the rim of it, just around the rim. It's a light coat. I'm going to take off most of it. I know it's really cold in here, so everything's super thick, but I'll take it off with a rag, okay? Okay. I've got the new rotor on. It's drilled in and slotted, and it's got a coating on it that I don't need to clean, so I'm not going to clean it. It came with ceramic pads, and this is out of a company called US Direct Parts, and it was front and rear, everything, and it wasn't that bad. I lubed the pins and the glides with some ceramic brake parts lubricant, and now we can just put the rest of it together. And so far everything's been going back together pretty well. I haven't had any issues. I squeezed the calipers with a new dual piston Lyle tool, and it was pretty easy to do that. So that's ready to go. And I'm going to put in the same orientation. Don't twist the hoses, and it should go back on real smoothly. And then I can get the bolts back on, and then we'll seat the pads just like it says in the instructions that came with it. And then hopefully it should be all good. Thank you.